Every bull market produces new leaders in market and opportunities to create tremendous wealth. Like end of 1999 and 2000 was period of telecom stocks. 2008 was energy and financial stocks. And currently it is all about, we all know it is all about technology stocks. Apple crossing 2 trillion valuation mark, followed by Microsoft and Amazon with $1.5 trillion. It's just another example of that serious wealth has been already created by tech stocks. And we believe that there is not enough room for this tech stocks to grow. But important question is that which sector has potential to create substantial alpha? And in this video, I, Vipul Trivedi, CEO at Vtrade Capital Services, will give you glimpse about what we think opportunity for decade. Yes, you heard right. Opportunity for decade. Not days, weeks or months. We believe that plant-based meat industry has long way to go. Whatever gains we have seen so far in plant-based meat companies have made as nothing but a tip of iceberg. Value migration is nothing but the shift of value creating forces. Value migrates from outmoded business models to the business which are better able to satisfy customers' needs and wants. New business models not only capture the market share of old companies, but also increases the pie of the market, which opens a lot of headroom for substantial growth. As an example, currently which everyone is which has stunning growth as electronic vehicle market, which is taking over market of traditional automobile, which runs by fossil fuels. From animal-based meat to plant-based meat is following the same path. Reasons why we think as a consumer shift from animal-based meat to plant-based meat. First of all, it is environment friendly. As per one report, if world goes vegan, it could save 8 million human lives by 2050. 8 million. Reduces greenhouse gas emissions by 2/3 and lead to healthcare related savings, and avoid climate damages of $1.5 trillion every year. It is also health friendly. According to National Institute of Health, an estimated 300,000 deaths occur every year due to overweight and obesity. Obesity can lead to various health issues like increased risks of heart disease and diabetes, increase the death risk, increase of cancer risk and foodborne illness. Additionally, excess consumption of meat cause an imbalance in the ecosystem as higher number of animals are killed for human consumption. Even consumer behavior is also shifting. The increasing environmental impact due to excessive animal killing for meat consumption has created significant demand for plant-based meat across globe. Particularly in China, if you see, Chinese market is projected to witness significant growth due to increase in demand from consumers for meatless food products. Interest in veganism has increased sevenfold in 5 years between 2015 and 2019. According to Google Trends, it is now gets almost 4 times more interest. People across globe has more 4 times interest in veganism than vegetarian and gluten-free searches. CEO of Impossible Food has said recently, this is why I think people are increasingly aware plant-based products are going to completely replace animal-based products in food world within 15 years. I find that's a little bit optimistic statement, but it's not totally, we cannot totally rubbish it. As of now, globally, meat industry's meat industry size is around $2 trillion. Just imagine 10% market share of animal-based meat will produce opportunity of $200 billion, and 25% will be $400 billion for plant-based meat producers. And currently, plant-based meat size is just $10 to $15 billion. Imagine the growth we can assume. Imagine the amount of wealth can be generated in future by plant-based meat. Enough information in the sector we have spoke about. Let's talk about stocks, or particularly one stock actually, which will do well, and it has all ingredients to become multi-bagger. We have heard a lot about it, and we believe it is one of very potential growth stocks for coming year. In our universe, BYD is our preferred pick when it comes to plant-based meat. Beyond Meat industry develops plant-based protein food products. The company offers burgers, sausages, crumbles, treats, and other related products. So let's talk about why one should invest in BYD and why BYD is such a multi-bagger, can be a multi-bagger. BYD is such a creative and innovative, produces innovative products. It has potential to be market leader in this particular sector. Despite pandemic situation, BYD has shown massive growth in sales, increasing their numbers more than 100% in last quarter. Annual growth of constantly increasing with rate of 50%. Companies like BYD does not require monopoly to grow their business, because there is enough pie for all the companies before market gets saturated. Plant-based industry might grow by 15% in next decade, which means companies like BYD will enjoy easily 20 to 30, 25% of annual growth, which will be sustainable. BYD continuously expanding in its market. Recently, they have entered heavy meat eating countries like China and Brazil. Repeat purchase of 50% is encouraging sign, and it's also best in the industry. Ability to grow in business in COVID-19 pandemic shows the ability of management execute plan even in the challenging times. Company has also started selling products via e-commerce platform to drive sales as well as high margin. The tie-up with Starbucks, KFC, and Pizza Hut and Taco Bell proves that good times are coming. It has potential to become Tesla of plant-based meat companies. Thank you very much. Please keep watching our channel, and for more information visit our website vtrades.net. Thank you.